Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video we are going to talk about the all new Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. But before starting the video, I just want to say that as you guys have already seen my vlogs, that I was invited to the launch event and I have been using this device for about 2.5 weeks now. So I have a pretty good experience with this device, and in this video I will be only sharing my own experience and thoughts of using this device. So yes, I loved it. The 3x telephoto camera, the 100-watt superbook charging is really nice, but there are some cons as well, and in this video we will talk about all of those things. So let's start with the unboxing and then we will dive deep into this device. So let's start. Okay, so here is the box, and when you open up the box, the first thing you will notice is this, and this includes a SIM ejector tool, a quick guide, a safety guide, and a TPU case, then the device itself. Okay, so here we have the charger, and this is the 100-watt superbook charger. With this we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, and here is the device, Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. Okay, so here is the device in its full glory. So let's turn it on. Okay, so it's turning on, and the color looks really beautiful. This Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus has two variants. One is black and one is this purple lavenderish color, and it looks beautiful. So this is the device. It looks great. The design, the curved screen, everything is so good. So we are done with the unboxing, and now let's talk about the design and build quality of this device. This device is a true masterpiece in terms of aesthetics. With its sleek and premium design, it immediately catches your attention. The glass back combined with the metal frame gives it a solid and luxurious feel in the hands. The attention to details is evident, and Oppo has certainly crafted a device that stands out from the crowd. Now let's talk about the highlight of this feature, the cameras, and mainly the 3x telephoto periscope camera. And as a photographer, I was excited to test out these cameras on real life, and I have to say my mind was blown away with the results. So this device features a 3 camera setup. Main camera is 50 megapixel, telephoto one is 64 megapixel, and an ultra wide with 8 megapixel. Also, this device features a 32 megapixel front camera which supports autofocus. Now this is all about in terms of specs, but I want to show you some photos I have shot with this device or with the 3x telephoto camera in portrait mode, and the results are outstanding. Let me show you some results. So yes, this is shot on the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus, and if I zoom it to 100%, you can see the screen is intact. The amount of detail this device captures is insane. Also, the 3x telephoto camera gives a natural depth of field which looks fabulous. I mean, can you see these images and tell that this is shot on a smartphone? I mean, that's pretty nuts, and the results are mind-blowing. This device captures a lot of details. So yes, this is my new favorite portrait camera for run and gun shoots, and when I don't want to carry my camera, this is my choice of camera for portraits, and I have shown you the results. This is incredible, and this device with the hardware and software capabilities, it took the photography to a whole another level. And while talking about the hardware, let's talk about the performance and the user experience of this device. It is powered by a flagship grade Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform, ample with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive performance. Apps launch quickly and there's no noticeable lag while navigating through the interface. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is a treat for the eye with vibrant colors and excellent contrast. The screen to body ratio is 93.9%, which feels amazing while using it on the hands. Also, it features a full HD plus resolution with maximum of 120 Hz refresh rate and a 240 Hz of touch sampling rate. So the camera of this device is really great, and also it features a flagship grade processor, but to power it all you need a good charging system. So now let's talk about the battery and charging technology this device has. So this device features a 4560 mAh battery. It easily gets you throughout a full day of moderate to heavy usage, and when it's time to charge, Oppo's SuperVOOC 2.0 technology comes to the rescue, and the 100-watt SuperVOOC charger gets it to 0 to 50% at 9 minutes and 0 to 100% within 27 to 28 minutes. And to wrap it up, the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus is an exceptional smartphone for photographers and content creators. Its camera performance is outstanding, delivering breathtaking results in both photography and portrait mode. The device's premium design and the solid build quality makes it a pleasure to hold and use. If you are a photographer or content creator looking for a device that features the cutting-edge technology with a great camera and a whole day of battery life, I think this is the device for you. And the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus is worth considering. And if you guys have any question regarding this device, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'm testing it still now, and hopefully I will make another long-term review of this device. And if this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button twice. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta.